Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying out the Omega Moonswatch. So that's the Omega Swatch collaboration Moonswatch with a few Amazon replacement watch bands. Now, if you missed the unboxing of the Moonswatch and all of the features that it includes, be sure to check out that video on the Fashion Try-On. Now, first up, we are taking a look at a white rubber band. This is a split band and it has a cute little black detailing. I chose this one because of the design. I felt like the white and black on the band would very nicely accent both the white and the black features of the Moonswatch. Now, if you've ever changed the band of a swatch before, this one is exactly the same. It's even the same as like a Timex watch or, you know, like just retro watches we used to use before we had an Apple Watch. So on each side holding the watch strap together, you do have this silver piece that kind of pushes in on either sides. So that is the element that is actually going to keep the watch band snapped into place. You can see I'm removing the existing one the same way. So it has kind of those bungee sides. They're kind of like accordion sides, and we're just going to snap them right in place. Now, I did speed up the assembly so that you're not really bored with all of those particulars. But if you have not replaced one of these before, just know that it is a very simple process. Now, trying this on for the first time, you will notice I have particularly small wrists. So I haven't called that out previously, but just know that, you know, if you have a larger wrist than I, this will probably fit perfectly. Even with my small wrists, using the second to tightest band strap, this one fit pretty well. Now, obviously I did try this style in white, but I was also really intrigued by other styles and I wanted to see how this would look with a black strap. So for this next suggestion, we do have a black strap with actually a butterfly clasp. Now, I was really excited to try this one on because it is kind of like a real Omega watch strap. So a butterfly clasp is one that means that it kind of connects at the center like this, and it's gonna double fold out. Now, you don't have that with all like expensive watches either. So this just really is a premium watch strap. You'll see it does connect on either side in the same way as before. However, this time they actually built in the little apparatus to make sure that the side goes down for you. So this one was exponentially easier to put on or assemble than the original white one that we just tried on. So you'll see that little nub right there. We're just gonna pull that back and it's gonna snap ever so easily into place. Of course, you do have to actually use the apparatus, so excuse my second attempt, but you know, under 10 seconds to get this strap in, and genuinely no frustration, I'm gonna say is pretty good. Now we're gonna go onto the other side, and you know, second time is a charm, so this one's gonna go in pretty easily. Now, this design makes it really easy to swap out colors. So this is a white face with a black strap. It also does come in some more fun colors, as well as I believe a white or even a chrome around the band. So if you did want to get a little bit more fun with your band strap, you could always use one of those interesting colors and swap it out a little bit more frequently, just given the ease of swapping it out. Now, trying this on for the first time, you will notice that it is a little bit big for my wrists. But fret not, this band is actually fully adjustable, and it actually comes with an extra piece that we saw in the box there in case you want to have a second sizing, so, or if you mess up or something like that. So what you're gonna do is actually cut the band where you see those little holes in the strap and then reassemble it to the butterfly clasp itself. It is one additional step, but I think that's pretty awesome to be able to have a really next level strap that fits perfectly. All right, that is all we have for this unboxing. Let me know in the comments below what your preference is. Do you like the white strap with the white dial? Do you like the black strap with the white dial? I think it adds some sort of dimension, but let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.